Oh, this doesn't sound good at all. Can you hear that metallic sound coming from the blower? I know what it is, and we'll get it into the workshop and I'll show you how to fix it. There's just 3 Torx bolts that hold the starter assembly on, so we're just going to remove the 3 bolts and then we can remove the starter assembly from the blower. That's the last one there. Then we'll just remove the starter assembly. Off it comes. I'll just check the pull start, but yeah, that's all working fine. Pop that over there. That's the flywheel I'm spinning there, and there's 3 bolts behind the flywheel that are interfering with it, and that's what makes the loud metallic noise. I'll just remove the spark plug lead there. We don't want it accidentally starting. It's a 14mm nut I'm removing with the impact driver rattle gun. Now to get this off, I'll just put the nut on a couple of turns and then we're going to give it a gentle little sharp little tap with a hammer. This will free the flywheel from the crankshaft. Only a light tap. There she goes, she's loose, so we'll remove the nut, and then the flywheel will be able to be removed. And that's it off there. Now there's 3 Torx bolts here that come loose and the heads hit on the flywheel as it's spinning around. So we just need to tighten them back up. Okay, there, the 3 bolts are nice and tight now. Now we just reassemble the flywheel onto the crankshaft. Now the crankshaft has a keyway, a location mark, so it only goes on one way. So you just want to line up that little keyway with the little groove in the flywheel. There we go, we got it. I had it on upside down there, but no, there she's lined up. So we'll put the 14mm nut back on and we'll grab the rattle gun, impact driver, just give that a quick nip up nice and tight. Now we've got the impact driver ready to go with the Torx bit in it, and we'll refit the starter assembly back to the main unit of the leaf blower. We just centralise it all up, it will fall into place. There we go, that's it. Now we'll just fit the 3 Torx bolts that hold the cover on. Alright, let's just give it a test here and we'll see how she goes. Sounds pretty good to me. She lives again, ready to do plenty more work. See yous.